Oh, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Army and Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. They're in New Zealand, Army and Outdoors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. I think this is the bottom of the box, so be careful cutting your way through here. Okay, let's go ahead and empty this out. Okay, and if we had gone through the top, they did provide a little bit of protection cardboard there, which is nice. So again, this is from Army and Outdoors. So you can see that there. Okay, we got a 2-page manifest. I'll try to go in order just for make things a little easier. Let's clear some space. First thing on here that I see is this. Remove all this other stuff. Is a Czech Paratrooper helmet, 55 to 58 centimeters. So you can see here it's kind of that sports hard plastic for impact protection, leather edging, chin strap padded, soft. Let's see, very nice interior. Looks barely used. A little bit of, looks like moisture, sweat possibly, transfer, and our sizing right there, 55 to 58. Very nice. And you can see kind of the cord to hold the suspension in, as well as kind of the seam assembly. So again, kind of a sports style open front Czech Paratrooper helmet. So continuing, next is a East German memorial scarf and doily. So we had ordered another one of these. You can see here there's a bunch of different items in here. There is the bag itself has this illustration and lettering, and then inside we do have the scarf itself with numerous images on there. See some AFVs, IFVs, and then various scene pics as well. Center logo, and continuing with more vehicles all around and other images as well. So they are kind of upside down there because they do go around. Let's see, we turn it around this way. Give a quick look. The various scenes there. And then we'll take a look at the doily really quickly. I got the folds mixed up here. So again with the logo. And you see the edge work. It's very nice. And again, the illustration on the bag. So East German memorial scarf and doily with bag. Let's see what else we got here. believe this is a Dutch compass pouch. So you can see here, Alice clips on the back, DPM pattern, Velcro, and you can see the branding, NSN number, another serial number, and the interior, pretty basic. Drainage grommet at the bottom. So Dutch DPM compass pouch. Next up is, we saw it right here, is an Austrian rifle cleaning kit box. So just the box. So you can see here, made in Austria. Logos there and the markings. And scuffs from time. And I do believe this does open like so, hinged. Both ends for 2 compartments, and you can put your tools and other components into there. But again, Austrian rifle cleaning kit box. Set that there. Next up should be a British Army PLCE shovel cover. So you see this is green. Got a buckle latched there. Loop for hooking onto a belt. Reinforcements there. But no actual shovel itself. It would just totally fit in here once folded into the compartment and be part of the PLCE type of equipment. So British Army PLCE shovel cover. Set that there. Next up should be a British Osprey bottle and MTP pouch. So you can see here the multi-terrain pattern, buckle closure, Velcros as well, or hook and latch on the back. We have our labeling, and this one, 2 snaps for the MOLLE. Twist it up there. And let's take a look at the drainage hole there, and the bottle does have a cup and pretty clean interior there. Cup has a little bit scuff with the bottle, but it does have 2 clips. It's intact, and you see the lettering there on each. Looks like 1990. Very nice. And we do have an intact cap as well. So, British Osprey canteen and pouch in MTP. Set that up for now. Next, we have Dutch DPM Canteen and Cup. Saw that here. Let's see, go ahead and do the snaps. See here the labeling. Dutch with the NSN number, Alice clips on the back, DPM pattern. And if we can get the bottle out, it's a typical NATO type of bottle. This one from Sturm Miltech, and there's our cup in there. It's kind of a tight fit. There we go. Handles somebody's name actually on there, which is pretty cool, and it's in good shape. No dents, just a little bit of storage. Okay, tuck that back in. Again, Dutch DPM Canteen Cup, and the cover for that. Set that there. Next up, Actually covering up here is a British Army olive drab CS95 fleece, large, 104 centimeters by 180 centimeters. So this is part of the CS95, I guess, part of that standard package for the clothing. So you can see here, fleece, soft collar, zipper with a pole, plasticized zipper, goes all the way down, cord locks down here. Let's see if I can get this out. Okay. There's our label. I don't see any inner pockets, but you do see reinforcements for the zippered pockets that are one on each side. Pretty large. So you have the two pockets at the bottom, nothing at the tops on either side or on the sleeves. Sleeves have elasticized cuffs with thumb holes. And turning around to the back, you see here, pretty solid back, and again, that elasticized hem with the cord locks. So again, British Army olive drab CS95 fleece. Set that right there. Next up, we're going to have two Dutch Army DPM shovel covers. One is going to be Alice and one is going to be MOLLE. So you can see here right in the backs, the Alice here, MOLLE version here, both in DPM. This one having 3 snaps. And the type of closures that are in front are similar. One's a little bit more olive, this one's more darker. And the pull tabs, this one doesn't have a top. This one does have a plastic bit there. And inside you can see the label for woodland and drainage grommet at the bottom of each, and the label on this one with the name. So different time periods, one being the Alice versus the MOLLE versions of the Dutch DPM shovel covers. And then we're going to continue with a British DPM Minimi ammo pouch. So I'm not sure how many rounds this would hold, but it's pretty small. So we will hold a small belt, probably 50 rounds. It might hold 100 if they're packed in really tight. Not quite sure though, definitely 50 though. You see there which direction they will be loaded. They feed upwards through this location, and this is where you actually slide it through the bottom of your, say, your 249 or your FN Minimi package. You can see the DPM bag here, zipper with the big pull, and then you can snap that into position right there, and you can see the rivets attaching the bag to the top cover. So, British DPM Minimi ammo pouch. Going on to page 2 of the manifest, there's a couple more items. Easy one, Greek Army Lizard Camo baseball cap, large, 58 centimeters. Has that kind of squishy style of brim, and kind of a one size fits all on the back. Okay, there's our marking right there. Let you look at that. Again, this being Greek. Here you can see a mesh reinforcement for the brow area, and the Greek lizard, and flat top, very nice, and multiple grommets for ventilation. and baseball cap style. So again, Greek Army Lizard Camo baseball cap. And last on the manifest, French Army ARF-A gas mask bag Khaki. So just the bag. And you can see here some of the markings. It's a little bit crinkled because there's nothing actually padding it out on the inside. Kind of see an internal pocket inside of there. We just opened it with the hook and latch area. Looks like we also have a little bit of a cover securing that part right there. Here's a large flap on top. 2 hooks from the back to attach to stuff, straps, side pouch, hook and latch, and also another one on this side. All have drainage grommets at the bottom, including the center area. So, quick look at that. As well as a little bit of reinforcement area right there. So, French Army ARF-A gas mask bag Khaki. Greek Army Lizard Camo baseball cap large. British DPM Minimi ammo pouch. 2 of the Dutch Army DPM shovel covers, Alice and Molly. British Army Olive Drab CS95 Fleece large. Dutch DPM Canteen and Cup. British Army Osprey bottle and MTP pouch, also with a cup. The British PLC, British Army PLCE shovel cover. Austrian rifle cleaning kit box. Dutch DPM compass pouch. Way tucked up here, East German memorial scarf and doily. And we started off with this Czech Paratrooper helmet. So let me get this arranged a little bit better right there. And these all came from Army and Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Again, Army and Outdoors out of New Zealand. They ship internationally. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp tools, and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.